Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to add free countdown timer on Shopify. Let's get started. So the view of countdown timer is really good because it actually pushes your buyer in order to buy some products from your store. So let's head over and then click on this plus icon right here in order to create a new tab. Now let's search in here for apps at shopify.com, which is the Shopify App Store. So in here, let's search in here for countdown. So let's search for that right here. And then once I've done that, you should be able to see some search results that actually supports this. So you can choose in here this essential countdown timer bar right here. So you can also choose this urgency bar right here. It actually depends on what you want to add for this one. So for me, I'll just choose this and then click on this install option. And once I have clicked on that, it will ask me for access in order to successfully install this application to my Shopify. So what we can do instead is we can click on this install button and just wait for this to install. So this is what the dashboard looks like. Click on this create new timer right here and you can select the timer type. It can be added in your product page, top or bottom bar, or landing page. So for this, let's choose the product page. And then let's name this. And then you can edit it out however you want. And you can also count down it to a date or to a fixed minute. So for example, let's count down it into just 10 minutes. And as you can see, this is what it will look like. And once it's end, you can actually just do nothing or hide the timer for the buyer. Now click on this continue to design. And then you can actually choose the template that you want for this. You can choose this one. They have a lot of templates that you can choose from, or you can also customize it on your own. You can also choose everything that you want. Now click on this continue to placement and you can add this to specific products or all products. And once you have done that, click on this publish right here. It will publish this timer on your Shopify store. And now, as you can see right here, click on this activate next. Once you have clicked on this activate, it will open in here a new tab that will redirect you to the Shopify editor. Now on the Shopify editor right here, you should be able to see the app embeds. So make sure to enable the countdown timer like this and click on the save option. Once you have done that, let's head back to our previous tab. Then as you can see, click on I have done it. And as you can see, this has been added and published. So we can now see it on our actual default page that we have on our products. And you should be able to just turn it on just like this. And in just a few seconds, here it is right here. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.